Mercedes-Benz USA unveils VanSolution, a new business model for vocational equipment, starting with racking solutions for Sprinter and e-Sprinter cargo vans. Mercedes-Benz USA is launching a new business model for outfitting Sprinter and e-Sprinter cargo vans, improving the way vocational equipment is ordered, delivered, and billed. The offering is available for the first time with basic racking equipment starting at $3,152, installed directly by Ranger Design at the Mercedes-Benz USA Vehicle Processing Center in Latson, South Carolina. Additional, easily customizable options tailored to specific vocational needs, such as plumbing, HVAC, electrical and contracting services, are available through local Ranger Design distributors, as are a variety of a la carte solutions for customers with unique requirements. Mercedes-Benz USA is proud to announce a new business model that elevates the way vocational equipment is ordered, delivered, and billed. By partnering with its nationwide dealer network, Mercedes-Benz now offers direct ordering of its basic racking solutions, eliminating the need for separate transactions with equipment providers. Customers benefit from a simplified experience by combining vehicle purchase and vocational equipment in one invoice. The basic vocational equipment was designed in partnership with Ranger Design, Mercedes-Benz long-standing expert partner and leader in innovative vocational equipment solutions. The collaboration combines the renowned craftsmanship and engineering excellence of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van with Ranger Design's expertise in creating customized equipment solutions tailored to the specific needs of commercial vehicle operators. Ranger Design's basic upgrade solutions, which include shelving on the left and right sides of the cargo area, are designed to optimize storage, organization, and efficiency, enabling businesses to maximize productivity and operational efficiency. In line with the new business model, Ranger Design equipment racks are now available to order from Mercedes-Benz commercial van dealers for the 2025 Sprinter and e-Sprinter cargo models starting at $3,152. To ensure the safety of both cargo and passengers, the offering requires either an OEM factory or Ranger Design equipment floor and partition solution. All offerings, including the optional Ranger Design equipment floor and partition, will be installed directly at the Mercedes-Benz USA Vehicle Processing Center in Latson, South Carolina. Additional customization options tailored to specific occupational needs, such as plumbing, HVAC, electrical and contracting services, and a la carte solutions for customers with unique requirements can be quickly installed by local Ranger Design distributors, ensuring they meet the stringent requirements of a variety of occupational industries.